Greetings to the wonderful viewers of Wondershare EdrawMax. This is your favorite channel to learn effective techniques to brainstorm ideas and organize them through mind maps using AI assistance. In today's video, we will discuss the new update of this mind map software to help you co-edit and suggest different mind mapping templates according to the context and your demands. Before diving into the technicalities, we will make you familiar with the key applications of this mind map software. For instance, if you need to make a mind map for business deals, it has editable project planning templates that can customize according to the product design, marketing plan, strategies, goals, and even meeting notes. Moreover, if you want to enhance your learning as a student or as someone with personal development interests, it has reading note templates to help you study better. In addition, if you aspire to be organized, you might want to keep track of your daily activities, to-do lists, or goals. For this purpose, EdrawMax has a life category to find such mind mapping templates. So mind maps play an important role in our daily lives, and there are three methods that we can incorporate to create effective mind maps. The first method involves mind mapping via a classic method known as pencil and paper. You only require a page that is blank and a slightly large sized notebook to create mind maps for organizing your ideas. While mind mapping through a pen and paper is common, there are some drawbacks, such as you cannot reverse the mistakes you made. In addition, the process may take time and effort. Hence, let's introduce you to our second method, which is an online mind mapping tool. Online tools usually offer an intuitive interface, AI assistance, custom options, and cloud support to save the mind maps. You might think this is it, but there is another method of creating mind maps via a mind map software known as EdrawMax. The software not only helps you with mind mapping, but also offers brainstorming options first to gather ideas and generate a mind map on them afterward. It offers a wide range of mind mapping templates for multiple categories such as business, education, and more. For instance, you're the head of a marketing team who wants to know how to mind map using EdrawMax for the New Year's marketing plan for a product launch. For this purpose, you can head towards EdrawMax's template gallery and search for the relevant keyword. For instance, you can go to the template gallery in EdrawMax and look for a marketing campaign plan like this one and find the relevant templates that are there. See this one right here? It's a community template that would absolutely work for this. You can customize the marketing campaign plan outline mind map template by Community Helper to craft a perfect marketing map. So next we're going to talk about co-editing. And in this section, we're going to dive into EdrawMax AI. Before we begin this part, let's make sure that you're reminded that EdrawMax has recently launched its V11 upgrade that allows users to co-edit mind maps. You have the option to share your work with others via the EdrawMax multi-person option. You can add your coworkers' emails and or share the link, and they can provide valuable insights and edit it. This section also conducts a brief overview of this mind mapping software, its features, and the primary structure of mind maps in it. It has multiple editing options for you to customize mind maps. For instance, color options, layouts, lines, and more. In the EdrawMax canvas, a mind map consists of the main idea tab, which includes the title of your topic. After the main idea comes to the main topic, which includes the subtopics of the main title you are creating the mind map on. Afterward come the details of your subtopics and branches and sub-branches. These are connected via lines whose connector style, lines, arrows, and much more options can be customized as well. Now you might wonder if this is all for customization, but there is more to EdrawMax AI. You can also customize the text within these boxes. You can transform this text style from bold, italic, or underlined, or all. And in addition, you can also incorporate different font styles, sizes, and colors. Along with this, you can insert boxes, lines, main topics, subtopics, parent topics, and more. So you are now familiar with this mind mapping software and the features and customizations that it does have to offer. In this section, we will give you a mind mapping tutorial on how you can create a mind map and co-edit with this software. You can create mind maps of all types, including businesses, education, life, and art. And you can also find specific templates like engineering, marketing, project managing, and more. In the below procedure, we're going to take a mind mapping example of how to become a YouTuber. Suppose the brand you work for is launching its YouTube channel for marketing purposes. As a project manager, you must create a mind map template for the project management team to collaborate accurately. In this tutorial, we'll break down some major parts of a mind map. However, before we start this mind mapping tutorial, ensure you have logged into your account to access some of the advanced features of this software. Here is the step-by-step procedure to brainstorm and create a mind map on EdrawMind AI. So if you do look at here, after launching EdrawMind AI and accessing its main menu, you can navigate to that left panel and select the Create option right here. And then you will select the mind map from the available options in the appearing window. Now, once you're in the canvas, make sure that you write down how to become a YouTuber right here in the main idea box. Then in the main topics boxes, write the major topics of discussion like audience, objectives, timelines, milestones. You can see it all right here, and any other factors that you do find important. If you want to add a main topic box, click on the first box and press the Tab shortcut from your keyboard. Now, to add an explanation of these main topics, click on the relevant box and then press the Tab key again to add these different sub-branches that I'm adding right now. For instance, in the audience, you can add your target audience, i.e. children, adults, students, marketers, or more. And in the objectives, you can add sales objectives, brand goals, and awareness, and work direction. In timelines and milestones, you can add other things like short-term and long-term goals to achieve a specific date in a specific time period. You can add more topics and subtopics according to the brand and channel requirement. And once you have created the mind map, go for the customization options. For this purpose, you can right-click on the box, line, brand, or connector, and opt for the text, style, color, and resizing options. You can also navigate toward the right side panel and add any of these different clip art options or more. Now, step 5, once you have created and edited the mind map, you can navigate towards the top right corner of the screen and then go to the share icon. In the share window, enable multi-person collaborative editing mode. This essentially turns on the collaborative mode on EdrawMind if done for the first time. Afterward, click on the share link option or add the emails of the people you would want to share with. Further, you can then navigate towards the View All Collaborators button on the bottom right and click on the navigation arrow adjacent to the collaborator's name and make them an editor or viewer. You can also delete a collaborator from the list by pressing delete. So if you are using the link sharing option, you can also expand that as well and select the edit or viewing option too. So next we're going to talk about pro tips in this section. We're going to give you some tips and techniques on co-editing a mind map for various purposes. Whether you are collaborating with your team during project management or a group of students who want to do some structured thinking for group study, tests, or exams, you can use EdrawMind. The number one tip is letting go of the thought that added information will not be editable, final, and perfect from the start. This is because when you are collaborating as a team, someone will always have to edit something, or they'll have a new piece of information to add to a project, plan, or study notes. With this mind map app, you can constantly edit, remove, or add new data. The next and very important tip is to add visual marks like annotations in the mind map. This is probably the most important mind mapping technique for students, as it will highlight the key points of a topic that need to be discussed. Moreover, you can use these annotations as a project management tool to remember timelines and milestones. A mind map is of no use if you cannot connect the dots and topics to each other. For instance, in the mind map we are creating, if we add the objects into the audience section and intermingle the timeline and milestones, everything will get messed up and the essence of the mind map will be lost. This connects us to our next tip. Keep moving boxes and branches if necessary to keep the information organized. Last but not least, if you keep everything structured and organized, this will enhance the system's thinking. You might be wondering how. This is because in collaborative situations, this will leave room for other collaborators to edit the project plan or study notes. In addition, it will save you the struggle to organize everything at the end. So guys, this leads us to the end of the video, our mind mapping tutorial on how EdrawMind and its amazing collaborative and customization features are for everybody. All of these new updates are available in EdrawMind's V11 version, and you can incorporate them to your needs. The new upgrade includes more cloud and public space along with the co-editing feature that takes team collaborations up a notch. There are now more options to edit a mind map, including whiteboard, outlines, PowerPoints, and Kanban. In addition, it has made some modifications to its interface and added 15 new mind map templates to keep the creative flow. With the platform support, you can now access EdrawMind on iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, online, and Linux systems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.